This is a song I wrote 10 years ago, and I wasn't gonna play it tonight. I had another one planned, but I kept thinking about this one, so it might be a little rough, but at least I like this song. This is called Casket on a Reel. It's a folk song about being a rambling man, you know, maybe, I don't know if you can wrap your mind around that. Come tomorrow, my bags be packed. Tell mama I'm sorry, but I ain't coming back. There's nothing left here for me. Had no luck in these towns, can't seem to find my way around. Locomotive, take me somewhere far from here. 9:30, right on time. Crawl inside, can't wait to ride. Conductor, let's put this all behind. Had no luck with myself, had no luck with anyone else. Locomotive, please put this all at my back. Got my ticket, some money tied to my waist, a fresh pack of smokes in my guitar case. There's nothing left here for us to say. Had no luck with this name, somehow it always sounds the same. Locomotive, take me far from here. I'll get what I had, if I had what you need. This whistle gon' blow, but these tracks don't lead. And I can't read the signs that pass me by. Had no luck with these towns, can't seem to find my up from down. This old train car is my casket on a reel. Locomotive, you're the